Hi everyone, it's Barbara Scarlett with the Scarlett Real Estate Group, bringing you the latest updates from the Niagara region's real estate market. Now there's lots to talk about and definitely some big news impacting home buyers and sellers now that we've had that recent announcement from the Bank of Canada. So let's dive in and take a look at the stats and the market changes here in Niagara. September here in Fort Erie is among one of the better real estate markets throughout the entire region as well. Our weather has been bright, warm, sunny, nice, cool evenings. The boats are still in the water. Golfers are still out on the golf courses. The interest rate should be bringing some momentum to this real estate market. However, I'm still not seeing the amount of activity in sales that one would expect given 3 rate drops. Again, the feds have been conservative about bringing those rates down, and it might not be until our next meeting in October, where hopefully they bring it down again, that we see the type of momentum that we're wanting to see in terms of sales. First, let's take a look at the latest numbers this week in September here in Fort Erie. We've just seen a dip in active listings, now sitting at 444, and 7 sales this past week with an average price point of just over $595,000. This is an actual increase from the previous average sales price, the previous week that is, of $543,000. Now, since they moved the interest rate for the first time, we've seen some ups and downs, meaning 3 rate drops ago. We've been seeing those ups and downs on the average price point. Take a look at this graph here. Until we start to see a steady consecutive incline, I would say that we have not yet seen the impact of these rate decreases just yet. Higher rates have made borrowing more expensive over the past 2 years, and this has cut into buyers' affordability, which in turn has brought down that average price point in terms of selling homes. As the rate continues to drop, we can expect to see an increase in buyers' affordability, and in turn, those average price points pushing up when buyers are purchasing. Now, if you take a look at this graph, at a certain point in history, when our market was increasing and those rates were low, that steady incline is what we want to see happening. Now let's take a look at what's been happening specifically on my desk in the past 7 days. My gorgeous listing at 2597 Thunder Bay Road now has an accepted offer with some standard due diligence. 454 Viking also has an accepted offer with some standard due diligence. I've just listed a beautiful 1.5 story executive home in one of my favorite locations in the Fonthill area. 14 Brookfield, I'll attach the link with the video, is a must-see if you're looking for an executive 5-bedroom home with an in-ground pool on a cul-de-sac that's walking distance to all the Fonthill amenities. I also recently listed an extremely well-maintained home in a mature neighborhood in a great school district. I'd love to invite you to an open house this Saturday from 12 till 2, that's September 21st, to 205 Murray Street. Now, this is a charming 1.5 story home. It sits on a spacious corner lot right next to Peacebridge Public School. It's a lovely community. It has a lovely community park right across the street. It's perfect for a growing family, and it's listed at an affordable price. You're going to love the layout, especially the huge great room and dining room. I brought the MLS caravan through yesterday. Everyone thought that this home is just one of those houses that you've got to get through the door to see. It has so many valuable added bonuses that you just can't see from the photos, so you need to get inside. The great room has a beautiful space attached to the dining room. There's hardwood flooring underneath those carpets. There's a cute little banquet in the kitchen. My favorite room is the den that's overlooking this stunning little private garden. There's a private patio. So much potential in this house. You have to come see it. There's also a detached garage in the back, perfect for the hobby enthusiast. It's rare to find a home that has such character and has been so well maintained by its owner since 1949. So come out and check it out. As always, if you have any questions about my local real estate market here in Fort Erie or in Niagara, feel free to reach out, send me a direct message via here, go over to my Instagram page, message me through there. Thanks as always for watching. Make sure you share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a great weekend.